Valve has debuted the latest EV3 VR knuckle tracking controller with subtle improvements that show it is almost ready for a consumer launch. The biggest update of the last development kit is in the area of battery life. The improved sensor efficiency means that it will last up to 8 hours, more than 2 hours from the EV2 kit released earlier this year. With the EV3 kit, Steam has renewed the triggers to improve reliability, recalibrate the grip force sensor to improve consistency, and embed the system and USB buttons to avoid accidental pressures and improve access to the charging cable. Improvements have also been made to the belt, LED lighting and adjustment and finishing. Unlike the EV2 controller, which saw a major redesign, the latest kit is more about refining the product, a good sign that Valve is preparing it for market launch. The company also noted that EV3 kits are being produced in much larger quantities than EV2, which were only sent to several hundred developers. Valve is ready to send the EV3 kit to new testers and current EV2 developers. You can request it by filling out an online form that will be launched soon.